Hi and welcome back to Blinds Direct. Today we're just going to talk about common issues when installing your Venetian blinds. Common issue number one is bracket location. Too often enough, if you're trying to use any of your controllers and you find there's some difficulty moving it specifically in one direction, 9 out of 10 times it will be your bracket is located over one of the turning mechanisms inside your blind. Just take the blinds off, line it up to your wall, look where your brackets are positioned, make sure your bracket should be positioned in an open area, or over here for instance. Another common issue is with shipping blinds. You'll find that with it being boxed and being couriered, the strings can be out of position in some instances. If we look at this, for example, I've just pushed it up. Very common is when your blind is pulled up to one side, you'll find that your rope is stuck incorrectly like so. This is the correct position. So all we need to do is just give it a bit of slack, pull the rope back, put it back in a straight position. That should resolve. If you need to pull the blinds up, for example, should be able to gently guide the blinds. Blinds should lock and lock in position. Making sure that all your strings, as you can see, are coming across through the inside of this channel, following through the same channel lines to your controller mechanism. As you can see, the controller mechanism over here is nice and tight. If I give it a bit of slack, release, I can see the strings are releasing correctly. If for whatever reason it does not want to release, you might want to just try and attempt giving some pressure, which will then release it. And that's it. Thank you for purchasing your blinds from Blinds Direct.